Let us recall how to multiply polynomials. Let's have an example. Number 1. X times the quantity of x plus 5. Since we are multiplying a monomial into a binomial, we just simply use the distributive property. That is, distribute the monomial to the binomial. That is, x times x is x squared. X times positive 5 is positive 5x. Therefore, the product of x times x plus 5 is equal to x squared plus 5x. Let's consider example number 2. The quantity x plus 3 times the quantity of x minus 2. We are multiplying a binomial into a binomial. First, you're going to copy the first term of the binomial. We have x times the second binomial, which is x minus 2. Then copy the second term of the binomial, that is 3, and multiply it to the second binomial, that is x minus 2. Then simplify applying your distributive property. That is, x times x is x squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. Then 3 times x is positive 3x. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Then combine similar terms. Copy x squared. Negative 2x plus 3x is x. Then copy negative 6. Therefore, the product of the quantity x plus 3 times the quantity x minus 2 is x squared plus x minus 6. Now, it's your turn. Let us answer the following activity. Multiply and simplify if needed. Number 1. X times the quantity of 2x minus 7. You have 5 seconds to answer that. Your time starts now. Okay. Let's simplify. We are going to multiply the monomial to its term of the binomial, applying the distributive. We have x times 2x is 2x squared. X times negative 7 is negative 7x. Did you get the same answer? Very good! Number 2. The quantity of x plus 5 times the quantity of x plus 9. Your time starts now. Okay, to get the product, you copy the first term of the binomial and multiply to the second binomial, that is x plus 9. Then copy the second term of the first binomial, which is 5, and multiply to the second binomial, that is x plus 9. Then apply the distributive property. That is, x times x is x squared. X times positive 9 is positive 9x. 5 times x is positive 5x. 5 times 9 is positive 45. Then, combine similar terms. That is, copy x squared. 9x plus 5x is equal to 14x. Then copy 45. Therefore, the product of x plus 5 times x plus 9 is x squared plus 14x plus 45. Did you get the same answer? Very good! For number 3, we have the quantity of 2x minus 1 times the quantity of x plus 3. You have 5 seconds to answer that. Your time starts now. First, you copy the first term of the first binomial, that is 2x, and multiply to the second binomial, that is x plus 3. Then, copy the second term of the binomial, which is negative 1, and multiply it to the second binomial, which is x plus 3. Then, you're going to simplify. Applying your distributive property, we have 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 3 is positive 6x. Negative 1 times x is negative x. Negative 1 times positive 3 is negative 3. Then combine similar terms. Copy 2x squared. 6x minus x is positive 5x. Then copy negative 3. Did you get the same answer? Excellent! For number 4, we have the quantity of x plus 6 raised to 2. You have 5 seconds to answer that. To get the product of that, squaring a binomial, the first thing that you are going to do is to square the first term. And to get the middle term, twice the product of the first term and the second term. And to get the last term, square the last term of the binomial. Our first term is x. Then our first term is x. And our second term is 6. And the last term or the second term of the binomial is 6. Then simplify. That is, the square of x is x squared. 2 times x is 2x times 6 is positive 12x. 6 raised to 2 is 36. Therefore, the product of x plus 6 raised to 2 is equal to x squared plus 12x plus 36. Did you get the same answer? Very good! For number 5, we have the quantity of 5x plus 4 times the quantity of 5x minus 4. So you will have 5 seconds to answer that. As you can observe, we are multiplying a sum and a difference of a binomial. In simplifying, we need to square the first term minus the square of the second term. The first term is 5x and the second term is 4. Simplify. Square of 5x is 25x squared minus square of 4 is 16. Did you get the same answer? Very good! For number 6, we have the quantity of 3x minus 8 times the quantity of x plus 2. You have 5 seconds to answer that. First, you copy the first term of the first binomial, which is 3x, then multiply to the second binomial, which is x plus 2. Then, copy the second term of the first binomial, which is negative 8, multiply it to the second binomial, which is x plus 2. Simplify it, applying your distributive property, we have 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times positive 2 is positive 6x. Negative 8 times x is negative 8x. Negative 8 times positive 2 is negative 16. Then, combine similar terms. Copy 3x squared. 6x minus 8x is negative 2x. Then copy negative 16. Now, let's take a look of all the answers of the activity. How will you describe the products obtained? Very good! They are all polynomials. What is the degree of each product? Excellent! They are all polynomials of degree 2. That's it! Thank you for watching. We will continue discussing in the next series of episode more topics about quadratic equations.